Hello everybody, welcome back, and today we're train spotting at Bletchley and Milton Keynes today. Now, where are you going? Just having a look where... Oh, this is the Milton Keynes train. Never mind. But yeah. First train of the day. But yeah, I'm just going to be chilling out over here now because I'm just going to try and get the next train over to actually, because I want to catch all the freight trains probably, because they got the freight gravel thing down there. So I think this is the actual one I got to get because it's terminating here. So yeah.
We are now approaching Bletchley. Please mind the gap when leaving the train and step onto the platform before removing heavy luggage and pushchairs. Thank you.
true. They are well old. Wow. Wow. Ah, wow.
Or on trains. This includes e-cigarettes and vapes. Thank you.
I got told off for being on the platform. No warning on that platform on number 1 and 2. There's not one single warning sticker that says people cannot go on this platform. Not one. So yeah, I'm not happy with that. But yeah, the Bedford train's here, leaving at 11:45. There's one platform 4 now, so yeah, I'm not happy with that. Bletchley Station. I think I clocked that one up. Nice new ones. I've ridden one of these already when I go to Birmingham New Street, but they are really nice. Quite large on the inside and I quite like them. And it's in Pride for the LGBTQIA plus BQT people. Normally I just see these trains on the Cross City line in Birmingham, but you know, yeah. video of just like what it's like. I said this already, just what it's like. Waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting. Oh, it's tiring.
Staff may approach you if you are not in a position of safety. Thank you.
Is there a football game? I am going to throw a few clips right now of me actually on one of these, heading to Woburn Sands to see some family. But yeah, so I will clip that in right now. So we're moving back over to platform 3, and there is another, don't know what class of freight train it is, but it is a freight train. So we will definitely be coming back to Wolverton, not Wolverton, Bletchley, more often on the channel. Maybe we'll bring one of my friends along who can do a bit of freight trains, and hopefully we'll get that past 150, I believe they are, down to Bowbrick Hill, like, you know, Caldecott Way, if you live in MK, and visit the little railway there, or Hayton Buzzard. Right. The next train is our train back home, and then after MK I might do Trace Wood. There you go.
1302 London
It's a
Northwestern
railway service to Birmingham New Street.
via Northampton. Calling at Milton Keynes Central, Wolverton,
That's right, round.
Northampton, Long Butley, Rugby, Coventry, Canley, Tower Hill, Birchwood, Hampton and Alden,
Maybe we'll go to Coventry one day.
Birmingham New Street. This train is formed at 8
The next station is just down there.
Platform 3 of the 1302 London Northwestern Railway Service to Birmingham New
Doing the
Street
announcement now, but we've still got like
via
5 minutes. Oh, we're finally at Homeland. Yeah, I didn't get to film the train journey because it was packed to the brim. But yeah, so we'll do a little bit of spotting here. Basically 2 trains we're planning to see. And then I'm heading back home, and then I'll see you all next week. Because hopefully it's a weekly thing. I did do it last week. I was just right from the beginning of the video. 2 kind of intros. I'll play the clip now where I forget about my battery dying. It's honestly. I still need to get the recording working for the Train Sim Mod 5 because I've played the game but I haven't been able to get the video up, so I have to have a look into it.